Walking in heels can be a challenge, especially for beginners. But with the proper techniques, you can walk in heels without pain. Here are 20 tips for walking in heels without pain for beginners. If you are new here, feel free to like and subscribe. 1. Start with a lower heel. If you are a beginner, start with a lower heel to help you get used to the feeling of wearing heels. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the height of your heels. 2. Take the right step. Walking in heels is similar to making a big decision. You have to take the right step to be successful. And the right step in heels is heel-toe with a bit of a twist. 3. Walk confidently. Walking in heels is not rocket science. Don't overthink things. Concentrating too hard can make your walk look robotic, or worse, like a newborn calf. 4. Practice, practice, practice. Practice walking in heels on a flat surface before attempting to walk on uneven surfaces. Start with short distances and gradually increase the distance as you become more comfortable. 5. Take small steps. Take small steps while walking in heels, placing your heel down first, then rolling your foot forward until your toes touch the ground. This will help you maintain your balance and prevent your heels from slipping. 6. Use heel inserts. Heel inserts can help cushion your feet and reduce the pressure on your heels while walking in heels. Choose inserts that fit snugly in your shoes and provide adequate support. 7. Wear thicker heels. Thicker heels provide more support and stability, making it easier to walk in heels. Avoid thin, stiletto-style heels, as these can be difficult to balance. 8. Stretch your feet. Stretching your feet before and after wearing heels can help prevent pain and discomfort. Try simple stretches like toe raises, ankle circles, and calf stretches. 9. Walk on flat surfaces. Avoid walking on uneven surfaces or stairs until you feel more comfortable wearing heels. Stick to flat surfaces like pavements, indoor floors, or carpets. 10. Don't lean backward. Keep your weight centered over the balls of your feet, not on your heels. Leaning backward can cause your feet to ache and your heels to slip. Feel free to like and subscribe. 11. Don't rush. Take your time and walk slowly to help maintain your balance. Avoid trying to walk quickly or run in heels until standing for too long. If you will be standing for a long time, take a break and sit down to rest your feet. Alternate between sitting and standing to prevent fatigue and soreness. 13. Invest in quality shoes. Quality shoes are made with better materials and are more comfortable to wear. Look for shoes with leather soles and good arch support to help reduce pain and discomfort. 14. Wear the right size heels. Despite women's shoe sizing being miles more precise than women's clothing sizes, your shoe size can change. And not just the daily half-size swell from morning to evening either. 15. Use foot spray. Foot spray can help reduce friction and prevent blisters while wearing heels. 16. Choose the right style. Different heel styles can affect how comfortable and stable you feel while walking in heels. Some popular options include 17. Consider the height. When choosing heels, consider the height of the heel. For beginners, it's best to start with a lower heel, around 1-2 inches, and gradually work your way up to higher heels. 18. Don't wear heels every day. Wearing heels every day can cause your feet to ache and can even lead to long-term damage. Alternate between heels and flats to give your feet a break. 19. Take care of your feet. After wearing heels, give your feet a massage or soak them in warm water to help soothe any pain or discomfort. 20. Make sure to keep your feet moisturized to prevent dryness and cracking. Congratulations! You've learned how to walk in heels without pain. With these tips, you can rock any pair of heels with confidence. Happy walk! Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.